Alright, hey everybody, I'm Matt Mazer, DSM for South Central Saskatchewan. I'm just going to go through our ground drive pump setup that we have on this liquid caddy. This is our regular ground drive pump that we send out with your kit. If you purchase a ground drive pump, this is the pump that you'll get. It's a John Blue piston pump, very simple to operate, can rotate either direction, counterclockwise or clockwise, it does not matter. The plumbing is also very simple. It's always going to be in on the bottom and then out on the top through our needle valve that you can adjust the pressure up or down. From this point controls all the pressure for the rest of the system. So in, if you screw that needle valve in, the pressure goes up. If you screw it out, the pressure goes down. So the pump is fed from the tank through a filter, through a Y filter that comes out with your kit. Make sure you clean that, check it regularly to make sure it's not blocked. Just going to continue on with our pump segment and explaining the drive portion of the pump for the ground drive pump. So in order to properly select the drive gear for the pump, what we need to do is we need a few things. So first thing we need to do is we need to measure the height of the drive tire. We need to go look inside the drive wheel for the gears that are welded to the hub and the gear that's welded to the jack shaft. You have to know those three items along with your forward travel speed in order to know exactly what size of sprocket that we need to drive the pump. So in this case, I'm not exactly sure how many tooth sprocket that is, but regardless, whatever works out for your system, this sprocket is, the size of this sprocket is completely determined by the height of the tire, the number of teeth on the gear ratio inside the wheel, and then that pump will be driven with the 10 tooth sprocket that's sent out with the pump. So again, it can turn either direction, it doesn't matter forwards or backwards, and be sure that you have some sort of a control for the pump, whether it's an electric clutch or a three-way valve on the tank, to be sure that your pump isn't running as you're going down the road in road gear, because the pump will fail. So be sure that your chain either comes off or is controlled through an electric clutch to make sure that your pump will remain useful for many years.